Once upon a time, in the mysterious depths of the ocean, two brave mermaids, Serena and Luna, decided to embark on an extraordinary adventure. They had always wondered what secrets lay hidden in the deep world beneath the waves. With their hearts full of curiosity, they swam deeper and deeper into the dark abyss. As they explored, strange and mesmerizing creatures surrounded them. However, the deeper they went, the more the sunlight faded, and the water grew colder. Suddenly, they noticed an eerie glow in the distance. Intrigued, they followed the mysterious light. Little did they know, they were entering an area known as the Enchanted Grotto, a place rumored to be haunted by ancient sea spirits. As Serena and Luna ventured further, the suspense grew thicker. Unfamiliar sounds echoed around them, and shadows danced on the walls of the grotto. They couldn't shake the feeling of being watched. Their hearts pounded in their chests as they discovered a collection of dazzling crystals. The beautiful gems glowed like stars, but the mermaids felt an unsettling energy emanating from them. Just as they were about to leave, the entrance to the grotto vanished, leaving them trapped inside. Fearful but determined, Serena and Luna had to solve the grotto's riddles to escape. The riddles tested their courage and wit. With every correct answer, the grotto seemed to release its hold on them little by little. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, they answered the last riddle and the entrance reappeared. The mermaids swam out just in time, feeling a mixture of relief and triumph. As they surfaced, they knew they had experienced something extraordinary. Their adventure had been filled with suspense, mystery, and a newfound appreciation for the wonders and dangers of the deep ocean. Serena and Luna swam back to their underwater home, forever cherishing the memory of their daring exploration into the deep world of the ocean.